Hey everybody, we're back.
Hi, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to
This Made Up Life.
We are really happy to be answering a question this time.
Yeah, very exciting.
This is a question that someone posted on one of our first videos, and they asked, how do you style chunky sweaters? So tell us a little bit about chunky sweaters.
Well, first of all, a chunky sweater is defined as just a larger sweater, kind of a little on the bulky side, you could say, but also has some fun texture going on. This is a little bit longer of a sweater. It has some cables running down the front, sort of. But I would say kind of a comfy, you like to wear this around sweater.
Yeah, they come in all shapes and sizes.
Like this one over here.
And this one has some really fun surface detail. These baubles are adorable, and that's really, really big right now.
Yeah.
But I think there's probably the most important thing about styling a chunky sweater is first making sure you find a sweater that you love. Not just to get a chunky sweater because you can get one.
Yeah,
but
because
you've
everyone
gotta
has
love
one.
it.
Yeah.
Because I think the underlying thing is you've got to feel confident. It's all about, it's kind of a head game.
Yeah, you got to make sure that you feel good in what you're wearing because that translates to how everyone sees you.
Absolutely. So let's take the sweater that Cecily's got on right now as an example. This is a great example of a chunky sweater. It's got kind of a fuller sleeve. And this one is a little bit cropped. Like we said, they come in all shapes and sizes, but this is a great example because the key to styling chunky sweaters is proportion. We keep going back to that golden rule, right? Like the 75-25, it's kind of the golden ratio.
It's a thing.
It's a thing.
Look it up.
Look it up or watch the Da Vinci Code. But so with Cecily's shorter sweater, earlier she had on just a cute pair of skinny jeans, and she threw this sweater on, and although skinny jeans are probably the perfect match with a chunky sweater, they didn't work. Why didn't they work?
Because the skinny jeans were a little bit came to my mid-waist, or mid-rise, excuse me. And there was a little bit of a gap in between, and I wasn't having that because it cut me off in half.
So it made it so that your eye, like when she wears a sweater like this, the top is a little bit more bulky and goes out, and then she's got the skinny jeans on there that come in, but they're high-waisted enough that you don't get any gap in between. And the reason you don't want the gap, you want your eye to go from here down to here. It's just cleaner, it looks better. Now, I'm wearing a chunky sweater that is a little bit longer, and again, I've just got skinny jeans on with it. It's the perfect match. So now we want to talk about this girl right here.
Oh, she's cute today.
She is cute today. So she's got on this great, I absolutely adore this sweater, and it's so perfect because Valentine's Day is this week. I know you're going to see this after Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's. Hope it was good.
This great chunky sweater, but we put it on with this really short skirt because it looked really awkward when we had the longer skirt. Let me show you. So this is actually
TV magic for you. Actually, this is just real life magic.
So when the skirt is longer, you can see, and especially if our girl here was a little bit shorter, this is actually cutting her in half. So now we have too many ways to break this up. If I was going to wear this sweater with this skirt, whether you're tall or short, I would tuck it up.
Yeah.
And probably just tuck the front in like this. Because I think that's just going to give us enough of a gap that this becomes the longer part, and that's the shorter part.
Cute.
The key is always keeping 1/4 to 3/4. Now, if you're wearing a skirt like this, you go with a tights or a boot.
Oh, yeah.
So that the look stays clean and consistent all the way down.
Yes.
Now, what about, are skinny jeans the only kind of pant or leggings, the only thing you can wear with a chunky sweater?
No, definitely not.
What about like a palazzo pant?
For example, I'll show you, these two pants are just kind of a really wide leg, loose pant.
If you wanted to wear a pant like this under a chunky sweater, you're going to be better off going with something long, because the long line sweater is going to come down, and Cecily is just going to go throw this on really quickly. Ta-da! She's back in this great sweater. Now you can see how great it is with a skinny jean. Again, you can almost always wear a legging or a skinny jean with a chunky sweater. It's easy, quick, but we wanted to show you how it looks with a pair of palazzo pants. If you've got the longer sweater, you can throw it on with something like a really long, slender skirt, or a palazzo pant as long as it is really drapey, because basically what it does is it does the same kind of thing that a skinny jean does. It stays straight. It stays straight. So you get a 3/4 proportion again.
Ta-da!
Great. So we're hoping that you guys are going to try some sweaters, and we want to encourage you to take a selfie and show us how you style a chunky sweater.
Please. So hashtag, I made this up, tag us, this made up life.
Yep.
And yeah, we would love to see what you have. So just make sure that you follow us, like us, and share.
Share the love. All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.